Hey, hey. Where you at? Where you at? Okay, so that's enough of that. Hey y'all, I'm Judy. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be attempting the bubble ponytail, and I'll be adding 2 tendril twists, flaxseed elongating curling gel. I'll be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edge Extra Hold. Be using the Edge Effect Edge Control. Using the Pro Style Ampo Gel. I mean, y'all can use what y'all like. Because sometimes I can't use gel because, well, I can, but I have to mix it with something else so it can get slick to the gods. Oh, and the hair I'll be using today, I got from the beauty supply store. It's 3% Kanekalon hair and 80 inches. Get up close, y'all can see it. I paid $9.99 for just this one pack. Okay, so first we're gonna prep our hair because my hair is looking dry. This is looking dry. Okay, so first I'm gonna take my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna spray it everywhere. You can use whatever you want to use to moisturize your hair. Just make sure you moisturize it. Okay, so next we're going to take our rat tail comb and part off the front so we can make our 2 little tendrils in the front. And if that's not good enough to your liking, you can take a little bit of whatever edge control you use. Just a little bit. And put it, to my knowledge, of people that braid and do things like that. And so now you're going to take your little scrunchie and put this hair up. I'm not going to touch this yet. You got a little bit more butter to moisturize your ends up to your roots. Get that rat tail comb again. Part it down the middle. I'll twist up this side. Twist up this side. Right now I'm just prepping my hair for the style. So 2 parts, 2 little twists. Okay, so now onto this hair. So I'm gonna part and I'm gonna add my gel and my other gel with some of my edge control so it can be nice and slick, or slick enough, because you know our hair not blow dried or flat iron. So I'm gonna part it. One part. Take some of the gel. So what y'all doing for Valentine's Day? Because I want to know what y'all doing. What y'all got planned? What y'all finna go do with y'all man or woman? Let's go part and put the gel in that section. It's some got to be glue, but not a lot, because I realized when you spray a lot, then you get that little white little residue and flaky stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna finish all this, slick it. I'm gonna tie it with my scarf and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back. So yeah, bye for now. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I'm tying my hair down for like a good 10 minutes. So I can take it down. It should look something like this. Turn around so I can see the back real quick. Okay, so the hair I'll be using again is the Janet Jamaican Reggae style hair, connect line, and 80 inches. This will look like. This will look like found at your local beauty supply store for $9.99. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. And take off the little accessories. Take off the rubber band. Hold on, let me get my scissors. Take off scrunchie. Gonna loop it like this. Put it through the loop so it gets extra tight. And it looks like this when you're done. This is what it looks like when you're done. And the loop. Gonna wrap it around a little bitty bun. I'll take it, I'll flip it over our bun so we can hide it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a rubber band. This is my first time ever doing this, so don't be coming for me. We're gonna take our first rubber band and secure it. And we're filling already. Okay, cool. Okay, so this one won't look like. Gonna take another one, maybe right there. Pull it through, all the way through. Take it again. Come on, rubber band, stop. Maybe I should use two, but that little one just keep popping. Come on, hair, don't fail me now. You were doing so good. This will be our last one. And then maybe this will be our last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll split my hair into two sections and start twisting. Make sure you want to twist close together. Like a mini twist. Just keep twisting, twisting. I don't know how long y'all want yours, but I don't mind too long. Then you take a little rubber band to band off the ends. You take your scissors and cut. So that's how long, that's what my little twist looks like. Take some gel, put it on there so you get rid of those little flyaways. You can take a little jewel piece if it didn't cover up and put it on your twisty. Take some little bit of gel, put on the ends of the hair. Take some of my edge control. Just gonna twist. Make sure you twist close together. Just like doing a Molly twist. Make sure they're symmetrical, or try to get them symmetrical enough. Stand up so y'all can see. Just stop it right here. Actually, nope, I'll still twist down some more. Okay, that should be good. Take our rubber band. My two little. It's giving me African princess. It's giving me black jasmine. I have to go back and fix that part. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Get a picture.